Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Q7 cigarette lighter charger FM transmitter for your car. I'm also showing here that we do have quite a few of these available. So we got a few car chargers here. So these are USB chargers, and we've got another model here for a cigarette lighter transmitter and USB charger as well. So this is a hands-free device. This is another model that we've got as well for sale. They are available on different e-commerce platforms. Here it is, another one. This is a USB charger and a Type-C charger as well. And this is a different model for your car cigarette lighter charger. It's got a micro SD slot here as well. If you want to put some music on a micro SD card, plug it in and you can transmit it to your car stereo. It's got a 3.0 charger. You can also connect a USB with music here so you can play it on your car stereo. So before we continue with the unboxing, if you do enjoy our videos, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to our channel. So we are going to be unboxing this Q7 cigarette lighter charger. This is also a hands-free device. It does come with fast charging and it has a colorful atmosphere lamp display. So looking at the side of the box, it supports hands-free, FM transmitter, charger. It's got voltage detection, voice assistant, and it also has micro SD recording. And on the other side of the box, so let's have a quick look into the features. It supports all types of vehicles, supports PD 3.0 fast charge output, supports USB Type-C protocol and USB power delivery, PD 3.0 protocol, quick charge 3.0 and 2.0 protocol, supports stereo FM transmitting technology, supports U-disc playback, supports TF card music player. It has automatic power off memory function. The version is 5.0. It has hands-free calling, supports DSP technology, supports one button subwoofer output, and it has battery voltage detection. And on the other side of the box here, so it's the same thing. Battery voltage tests, quick charging support, music playback, etc. So let's go ahead and open this up. So before we open the box up, if you do enjoy our videos, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to our channel. And let's go ahead and open this FM transmitter. So yeah, unboxing. So the box then comes with a instruction manual in Chinese as well as in English. And we've got the transmitter right here. So just gonna open this up and move this onto the side. And this is what it looks like. So we've got two USB ports here. One of the USB ports reads media. So if you have a USB stick and you want to listen to media, you can plug it in here and then it transmits the frequency over to your car stereo. You've got a fast charge USB port here on the left. And you also have a USB-C charging port. You've got a light button here to dim or to increase the brightness. You've got a rewind button, a fast forward button, you've got an equalizer button, and here in the middle you've got a volume button by rotating it to the left or to the right. You've got the answer button here, just press it once to answer and press it again to disconnect your call. On the side here you've got the micro SD slot. If you have music that you want to listen on your car stereo, you just put in the micro SD card here and this will transmit through a radio frequency to your car stereo. And this is it. So you connect this to your cigarette lighter in your car and you transmit the frequency to your car radio. So these are now available for sale in our stores. If you are interested in one of these, I'll leave a link in the description. And if you have any questions, please do post them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.